At Skinny Utah, they use breakthrough technology to personalize every plan because no two bodies are alike. There's never any prepackaged food or shakes to buy, no dangerous drugs or hormones, and no joint-busting exercise. You eat real food you buy at the store, so you lose weight naturally. And every Skinny Utah weight plan comes with their 20-pound promise. So are you ready to finally lose those extra pounds and get healthy again? Then schedule your free initial consultation at skinnyutah.com and get a free body composition analysis. A $99 value, absolutely free. Just go to skinnyutah.com and schedule your free appointment today. That's skinnyutah.com. At Skinny Utah, you've got nothing to lose but the weight. skinnyutah.com.
Dave and Eugenific.
Big news this morning. Boy Scouts of America files for bankruptcy.
Could this be the death of the Boy Scouts?
How will this affect local charters?
That's today on Dave and Dujanovic.
KSL News Time now, 8:44. Let's get our top national stories.
Add another podium to tomorrow night's debate stage. Former New York City Mayor Michael Bloomberg has qualified. His rivals accuse him of trying to buy the election. Boy Scouts of America filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy just after midnight last night. ABC News legal analyst Royal Oak says financially had no choice.
The bankruptcy filing seeks protection from a wave of lawsuits that resembles claims against the Catholic Church. Its alleged leadership of the Boy Scouts failed to remove known predators from the organization.
Local scouting programs will continue. New data suggests that COVID-19 is more than 20 times deadlier than the flu. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo in Africa discussing how China has dealt with the illness.
It took us too long to get the medical experts into country. We wish that could have happened more quickly. But we are hopeful that the Chinese government will increase its transparency.
A hospital director in Wuhan, China, who tried to warn others about the spread of the virus has now died. Sherry Preston, ABC News.
All right, time now for the KSL In-Depth. Former National Security Advisor John Bolton is speaking in public for the first time since the impeachment trial, and he's taking on the Trump administration for trying to hold up the publication of his new book.
We get the latest from ABC's Cecilia Vega.
President Trump's former National Security Advisor bashed his old boss, accusing the White House of censoring his upcoming book.
I say things in the manuscript about what he said to me. I hope they become public someday. He tweets, but I can't talk about it. How fair is that?
Bolton appearing on stage at Duke University. Journalists only permitted to record the start of the event, but ABC News has obtained audio of his full remarks. Bolton repeatedly teasing his book, in which he reportedly alleges President Trump was directly tied to the pressure campaign on Ukraine. The book now undergoing a security review after the administration claimed it contains classified information.
There are portions of the manuscript that deal with Ukraine. I do that like the sprinkles on the ice cream sundae, meaning in terms of what's in the book. This is an effort to write history, and I did it the best I can. We'll have to see what comes out of the censorship.
Bolton refused to testify before Congress, and overnight he dodged Ukraine-related questions, instead teasing his book.
Do you agree with the president that the Zelensky call was perfect? What's that? Do you agree with the president that the Zelensky call was perfect? You will love chapter 14.
Bolton did lash out on a long list of other issues, criticizing the president's handling of foreign adversaries like North Korea.
I think it's also been a failure. I think the pursuit of Kim Jong-un and the meetings with him and the efforts to get a deal with North Korea are doomed to failure. So I think this has been a wasted 2 years.
President Trump has called this upcoming book nasty and untrue. Guys, it's also worth noting that at times that Duke University audience applauded at the suggestion that perhaps Bolton should have testified or at least held a news conference instead of holding on to this information for an upcoming book.
It's any author's dream to get this kind of attention, isn't it, before the book is ever published.
I wonder if it'll ever come out.
There are questions about that now, but it's funny when people ask a specific question of Bolton, in the room, he says,
see Chapter 4.
Read Chapter 14. If you get a chance to read Chapter 14, we're going to keep an eye on that story.
Right.
Politics, of course, this week, again, center focus, because tomorrow is the next Democratic presidential debate, and the first time that Bloomberg's been on the stage.
And I think people would have had, marginal interest in this next debate had Bloomberg not joined the stage.
You might be right.
But there he will be for the first time answering questions with his opponents, and not just in commercial form or even one-on-one interviews.